reaching close to 100 meters, I fall right through the cracks, and I'm trying to get better. Before the kids run out, I'll be giving it my best. It's a non-stop, it's something about the non-intervention. Telling them how to outside to win some older song, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. Please hang my way, I'm yours. Open up your mind, see like me. Open up your place and tell me you're free. You can tell your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the music, I wanna people dance and sing. Our love is full melody, and it's so hard to put it love, 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 love. Oh, I won't hesitate no more, no more. Please hands my way. I'm sure there's no need to complicate our time. Be sure this is our fate. I'm yours. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Welcome to Biscay's Award 2019 Edition Plus.
And once again, sa isang taon natin paghintay ay naranaman tayo muli upang magkaroon ng kasiyahan, lahitan, babuyan at palakaan para sa mga kandidat.
Sino-sino ang mga itsasero ng Malacanang Simbahan ngayong gabi at sino-sino ang magwawagi ng cash prizes kasama mga stock toys at iba't iba pa mga
The
prizes.
stock toys na spelling ay STOP. Hindi
Stock toys.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, excited na kayo lahat. This is the Biscay's Award 2019 Edition Plus for the costume competition. Ako na. Blackout! Kita ako. Salamat po.
Sa Award 2019 Edition Plus.
The 35 candidates for the National Costume Competition.
Yes, we have 35 lovely candidates vying for the title of Biscay's Award 2009.
Let's begin with candidate number 1.